Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I need coffee. That's why in this excited video we are going to deep into the world of coffee with new espresso Vertuo Pop. On this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of this machine and my happy face. Of course I will show you the new coffee pots and what pot is compatible with this new Vertuo Pop coffee maker. In the end, I will share with you about Nespresso discounts while drinking a cup of coffee. Are you excited to open this amazing coffee machine with me? We need to say yes, yes, yes. As you can see on this box is mango yellow color. This is the big reviews colors, so it's perfect for me. Let's see what is inside in the box now. What is this? We have here the trip tray and safety books. Our superstar. On the back of the machine is included water tank, 560 milliliters. It's good for up to 4 coffees. The power consumption of this coffee maker is very low because it's 1500 watts only. This machine has really nice color. It's a mango yellow like I told you, but you have 6 colors to choose. There is mint, there is black, there is coconut, is this mango yellow, is also white, so you can decide which color it's really the best for you. What all we will have the same is the lock, it's manual lock, so when you open and close we need to do manually. On the top also is one button, indicated button to start and stop making our coffee. What more I can tell you about this Vertuo Pop machine is that you have also, even it's mini, you have here capsules bin. It's small but it's really enough for, let's say, 6 coffees, 7 coffees. They can really storage. The good thing is also that you can recycle these old capsules and you can do this with Nespresso for free. They included bag when you order this machine. I don't have mine in the studio, I forgot, sorry, but normally you will have bag included with this machine. I'm already so excited to test with you this coffee maker, but first let me talk to you about the size of the pots or capsules which you can use it with this machine. This is all here. This is all capsule sizes which this machine can do. Let me tell you now what sizes you can do with this machine. Is an espresso coffee, which is 40 milliliters, 1 shot of coffee. Double espresso, which is 80 milliliters, 2 shots of coffee. Grand Lung is the 150 milliliter coffee cup, which you use and usually is more than half coffee, and you can add a little bit milk. And standard coffee size, 240 milliliters. So let me prepare now coffee and check how this machine it works. What we need, of course, we need coffee cup. This coffee cup is also available in Nespresso. This is super light, okay, and this is not from plastic, it's made from coffee trees. It's really good, it's nice to drink a coffee. So now if we're gonna to prepare, this is probably 240 or 200 milliliters, so you need to remove this because this tray is too big, okay, and we put like that. Open from the selection I'm gonna choose one. You can see it's really many, but I'm gonna choose Costa Rica, like that. You're closing manually, and let's do the test. Starting. The first time it's louder because the water must to go into the machine. That's why it's what we can hear. Look at this. I can feel the aroma, guys. So here's our coffee. It's very creamy, like you can see. It's really good. Okay, now I need to put back. This is for small only, but it is. There's alternative maybe to put like that. Okay, and just, but yeah, but this should be different. All right, I need to add little bit milk, guys. And let me try. Oh wow, very good, super aroma coffee, warm enough, and you know, it's really good. But what I want to show you now is when you open this capsule, automatically will be transferred to the bin, so you can prepare straight away another one without worrying. Yeah, you can find these capsules here. To enjoy the coffee like me from the first day of delivery to you, you will get this all selections for free. Later in this video I will show you how to get extra 50 coffees for free. But before we go to this, let me ask you if you can subscribe to this channel now. If you did, thank you very much, and see you in next video like this one. So you see this all coffee which you will get for free. But if you want to get another extra box, and I will give you one, another box, another box, and another box, and another box for free. 15 coffees you can get for free. If you see these free coffee boxes, but you want to have this all 50 coffees, you need to just visit my description. There should be link when you can order your machine, this machine, Vertuo Coffee Pop, and you will get this 50 capsules included. Okay, once you pay for the machine, they should give you these coffees, this one and this one for free. But remember, this is promo, it's not lasting forever, and as soon as possible you will order, then faster than better, because this promo will soon end. So this is definitely available just right now. If you have more questions about this new Vertuo Pop coffee machine, feel free to ask, just comment below. Of course, I'm happy to answer for all your questions. I recommend you to wait for a while and watch my other videos about Nespresso products, because I have another bigger machine like this one, which maybe you like more. You should see in following video at the end of this video. If not in recommendation, then you can just go to the description and there you will find the link as well. I hope that you enjoy it, and see you in next following video.